constructing the surface development of a hexagonal based truncated prism. We see that we have to draw the plan, front, through shape, and then the surface development, okay, similar to previous occasions. So the information that we're given is that the hexagon is 40 millimeters across corners, sorry. So I need to start by drawing the hexagon. It's 40 millimeters, so the radius needs to be 20. Important to try to be as accurate as possible. Five millimeter for labeling. Then 10 millimeters for X and Y, and then for front elevation. Darken the X and Y. Project points vertically. I'm using construction lines. And the center. Okay. The height is 60. And the height for a cutting plane is 20. So I'll set these points across. Okay. Five mm for labeling. And I have to join the 20 to the point to the top. Okay, so I can darken. Okay, then 5 mm. I need 5 mm here, 5 mm. Okay, so we name A, and then F, x-axis, y-axis. This is D, C, E, B, F, A. Here we say A, this is B, F, C, E, D to the top. We need to get the true shape. And I think this is 60 if I'm not mistaken. Nope. Let's see what angle this is. Oh, okay, so it's at angle at 45. So I can set off here 45 degrees. Okay. Project point 45. And center. X and Y have to use very close. Separate as far as possible, close as possible. Okay. So this will be Y prime and X prime. Compass F, sorry, A first. X and Y. A. D is the same, so I'll use D here as well. F and E are the same. Use B. It's in chronological order. B. Let's set to B. Okay. Find B there. And I scribe. I see as well that C is the same distance, so I follow C. I scribe. Then I want F away from X and Y. Okay. And I notice that it's the same thing as X and Y to E, so I can't do that. Then I can darken. I want to label points. E. Okay. Then I want to join A to D. Why? Because that's the center. Okay. Then I want to project all these points across. Get a vertical. And then set off 6 times the length of one side, which is, I'll select a F. Okay, 6 times, because it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is the perimeter. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Vertical. Again, everything is construction. I'm not darkening anything as it. Okay. Points to label below. And the points that I know A, B, I label the bottom first so we don't get confused, right? So we say A, this point, this is B, this is C, E, F, and we go back to A. Okay, so these are the points that I know. So let's follow now from A. A is here to the bottom, and I will circle so you don't get confused. This is A, and this is A here. So we need to find, okay, that's my point. I know A will be there, so I know this is A, which is that point. Moving on, B. B is here, and I notice that B is here, so I follow those 2 lines. Wherever they meet is B. C, and I see C here to the top. Wherever these 2 meet, okay, I have C there. And D, way to the top, is here. Okay, 1 to 1 correspondence. E, which is this one, goes back again. That's E. F with BF, F is here, wherever these two meet, and there we have it. And then A, we go back, which is this point. It goes back to this point here. So I know another point that I know is A, which I have already labeled. So the only points I need to get is B, I need to get point for these two, guideline that is. And the last point, which is D. Alright. Thereon I'll do B. It's B, this is shucks, this on the side. C. D. This becomes E. F and A. Alright, it goes up and it goes down. So sorry. So we need to get this point here. B to C. We have B to C already. So what we need to do is join construction lines. You join. Okay. Should be this. Sorry, which is this one? This one. Okay, or is it this one? This one is the same. Yeah, that's the same distance. B to C, right? The B to C here is this. So from here now I need a 90 degree at each of these. So let me see if this is 45. It should be 45 degree. So I need to set off 90. I set off a 90. And I set off a 90 at B as well. Okay. Now, on this line, I want to set off the distance from this center line. And that's why you saw here onto the true shape, I went ahead and I said, well, we need to draw the center. So I'll set at the center, and then I'll open to radius center to B, F. Okay, this is the radius that I have. So I want to set off at B, and I scribe there, and the same thing at C. And then I can draw that center line that is going to help me draw that portion there. Okay, just draw horizontal on a 45 degree angle, and then I can now draw that figure. Okay, so I need C to D here to the top. This is the radius, and it's the same thing as A to B. Okay, so C I can scribe now over here, and that gives me D. From B I can scribe here onto my left hand side from B, and that gives me that radius. Given that A to F and E to D is the same distance, so from A I can scribe to get that position, and from D, sorry, I can scribe to get that position. So that gives me, and I can darken now. This is broken. I'm just darkening at any random order besides give me that I know the points. Alright, then I can now move on to darken A to B, C to D, D goes to E to F, F to A. Alright, so there we have the top portion. The bottom we need to draw here, so we use the same dimension here. Before I do it, I want to get half of this, 45, 45, vertical, okay, so that I can draw the circle. I can open to radius of the circle. Okay, then from this center, you see which center? This center. And I go back again and I check that it's this is the radius. I set there and I scribe. And this means that's the center for the circle again. Okay. Wait. Sorry about that. It should be, yeah, because it's this point, so it represents that. So it's this one. To where F and E is. Okay, and then from here I scribe. Yeah, that was a mistake. Yeah. And now I can open to the radius of the circle. And now, yes, I can draw the circle. Extend these two lines and I can draw the circle. Sorry, I can draw the hexagon, which is this to that, this point. And then horizontals. This is broken. Points to label. I know it's a bit confusing if you have too much lines, but once you're following and you know exactly what you're doing, when we have a guideline here, we can label. So it's only these two here to the bottom. Let's see. It is F. This is E here to the corner. It's B, C. This is D. That is E. This is E again. F. B. And E. And there we have it, students, the surface development of truncated hexagonal prism. Okay, thank you very much for following.